Guys, I'm not sure if you can hear, but I'm currently on the National Express West Midlands 2028, which is a Volvo B7 already, Wright Eclipse 2. And whenever it stops, it makes this weird noise. You probably didn't get to hear it properly because, as you know, I was talking, but I'll show you what I mean when it stops again. Well, the bus is moving again now, so hopefully when it next stops, you'll be able to hear the sound. By the way, I'm on the 41 to Willingham, in case you're curious. The bus is going to stop now. And that sound you just heard, yeah, that's what I was talking about. Right, see you in the next video, guys.